Maintaining fuel economy and engine performance requires regular service of the vehicle fuel system. This involves properly cleaning the intake valves and runners, fuel injectors, and the combustion chambers. Neglecting the fuel system will result in reduction of engine power, poor fuel economy, and a greater level of harmful emissions. Penray offers a two-step direct injection engine cleaning kit, Penray 2601, for gasoline direct injection or GDI engines. When properly installed, this service cleans the back of the intake valves and entire fuel system, safely removes carbon buildup, cleans fuel injectors and combustion chambers, increases power and helps restore fuel economy. Before beginning the service, position the vehicle in a well-ventilated area, start the engine, and allow it to reach full operating temperature. Then shut the engine off. For step 1 of this service, you will need to use a pressurized canister such as part number SP304TR with the S-hook attachment. The SP304TR consists of adjustable pressure gauge, on-off valves, and S-hook. Connect the compressed air canister and hang the canister by the S-hook. Pour Penray 2612 back of the valve cleaner into the canister. Do not set the can on any hot surfaces or the battery. The 2612 is not for use in the gas tank. For gasoline engines, insert the S-hook adapter into the intake side of the throttle body. Reattach air intake duct and reseal as best you can. Set the pressure at 30 to 40 psi. Hold vehicle idle at approximately 2,000 RPMs to draw air and product into the intake manifold. If the vehicle stalls during this process, stop product flow and restart with lower pressure. Warning: when applying procedure to turbocharged engines, do not run product through the turbocharger or the intercooler. Insert the S-hook tool on the cold side downstream of the intercooler, just before the inlet to the throttle body or the intake manifold. For diesel engines, insert the S-hook adapter between the air intake duct and the intake manifold. Adjust pressure or product flow to maintain idle at approximately 1500 RPMs. When product stops flowing through the line, turn off the pressure first, then turn off the engine. Remove S-hook tool and return intake duct to original state. Idle for 3 minutes and rev accelerator several times to clear product from the system. For step 2, use a funnel to add the entire bottle of Penray 2113 direct injection cleaner to the fuel tank, with at least half a tank of fuel to ensure proper mixing. One bottle treats up to 20 gallons. Penray direct injection fuel system cleaner cleans GDI, multi-port, and diesel fuel injection systems. Finally, do a test drive after servicing to ensure vehicle runs properly. In summary, the Penray 2601 direct injection engine cleaning kit removes carbon deposits from the back of the valves, provides total fuel system cleanup, including fuel injectors, intake runners, ports, and valves, helps restore fuel economy, lowers exhaust emissions, increases power, and eliminates hesitation.